Last time I tried this, it was a total mess. Now I got it down perfect. I'm talking about the reverse bear hug back crack. It involves 3 steps. The first step is you have to be taller than the other person, about 2-3 inches higher. And then your wraparound should be comfortably like this. And third, you use all your lift, your power, from your lower leg. So let's get started. Let me show you how it's done. So I have my auntie here to help me out. If you want to crack the base of your neck down to the thoracic area, you have your partner do this. For the upper back only, you have your partner do this. One hand right here, this hand right here, and the reverse bear hug, I would just hold it here. Okay, so that's for the upper back. Now for the base of the neck, you have her go like this, and elbows together, and head down, and then wrap around like this, and pick her up. Alright, so that's how you crack the base of the neck and the upper back. Hopefully that works out for you. Thanks again. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.